We just grabbed some coffees. This is what it looks like now after the cemetery. I can't believe how much traffic. There's not even church around here.
A lot of traffic coming through. When we went to turn in, we had to wait for a route to turn in, and we got people flying by around out on the shoulder.
Wow.
Here comes the bus.
There's the police.
And the cops.
I gotta watch. No, don't come in. He's coming in.
What?
There goes the police. See that? Oh, now this guy's flying.
Yeah.
Come on. Now he slows down for the light. Speeds up for it. Now he's gonna slow down. You're an asshole, dude. Seriously. Fuck. I gotta go this way.
You gotta go this way because there's
Fucking asshole.
Yeah,
What a fucking asshole. Well, he could have been going slow enough, knowing that he's gonna have to stop at that light. He speeds up. Could have let me out, but he decided not to. Oh, there's some kid over here dancing.
Yeah, okay.
That was pretty sweet. So this is what the road looks like. Let's see if the car in front of us goes for a ride on the wild side. Oh, come on. You don't have to stop. It's bloody. This is why people get in accidents.
No, people on cell phones.
No, people on cell phones don't get in accidents, Ma.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't. And I'm not talking. I'm doing a video. Big difference. I'm shooting a video. I'm driving one-handed. I've been doing this my whole life. Snowflakes are getting bigger. Four-way stop. That was probably the best thing ever. And then half the factories out here closed. Can't even see the line. Should probably be watching my mirrors, making sure nobody is sneaking up behind me.
Yeah.
Like the police, saying, "What are you doing?" And then I gotta tell them I'm the one-handed driver. Look at the snow. What a big difference from us coming from there to here. We're the first ones here for a while. Thanks for watching.